see the fish? Where are the fish? Oh, you can do a fish face? Oh, is that a fish? What does a horsey do? What does a horsey do? What does a cow say? Moo. Kitty, kitty? Meow. Dog, your dog? Woof. Woof, woof. How about a fish? Horsey? Right. A cow? What does a cow say? What does a cow say? No, that's a fish. A cow. Right. Moo. Ready, set. Ready, set. What comes next? Ready, set, go! You don't feel good, huh? Mr. Allergies. We got bit by some stuff today at Daddy's sailing lesson. Dada's not here, Bubby. Dada's not here. Dada had to go to work. Whoa! No. Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss to Mommy. Mwah. Can you say bye-bye? Everybody wants to look at your face. Give a kiss. Mwah. Oh, good boy. Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Tristan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.